Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your iPhone or iPad. So whichever device you're on, either the iPhone or iPad, you first want to head into the settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to come down slightly to sound and haptics. Once you're in sound and haptics, you want to come down to system sounds and haptics, and at the very top you'll see keyboard feedback, and you want to tab into that. Now, if you don't want the sounds to happen when you press on the iPhone and the iPad, you want to tab off here sounds. And what haptics is, the second option, is when you press on the iPhone or the iPad and it vibrates slightly. So in other terms, it's vibrate, but Apple call it haptics to be confusing. So if you don't want it to vibrate, you want to tap off haptics. Now, whenever you tap on the iPhone or the iPad, there'll be no sound and no vibration. So that's how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.